Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today I'm going to be showing you something that I've been using for a little while now. It's called Google AI Studio. All you got to do is make sure you get yourself a Gmail address, and then you can sign into aistudio.google.com, and it won't cost you a thing. So your first homepage is going to look like this. All right, and we're going to go to Stream Real Time on the left, and you'll see that these are the options in the middle of the screen. Talk to Gemini, show Gemini, and share your screen. Talk to Gemini, you can go ahead and ask it something right now. If I click this and start talking to it, you'll hear it. Right now it's using Puck's voice. Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
I actually stopped the stream because once I start talking, Puck will respond to me. So I'm going to go ahead and start a new stream, and I'm back to where I was. You can show Gemini something on your webcam, but right now we're actually going to share our screen. Before we do that, let's take a look at some of this stuff on the right-hand side. The output format, if you don't want to hear it speaking, you can switch it to text. If you want to change the voice, I switched it to this voice right here.
Yes, I can speak to you. Would you like to have a conversation?
That was her voice. I'm going to switch back over to share your screen. Let's not worry about this stuff here. I'm going to go to share your screen. Choose the screen that you want to share. Once I share, it's going to see what I am seeing. So once I share, I'm going to stop talking to you and I'm going to start talking to Gemini. Hi, can you hear me?
Hi there. What can I help you with?
How do I animate this text?
Okay, you have selected the text box containing the word test. Is there anything else you want to do with that text box?
Yeah, this is Google Slides. I don't know how to animate it.
Okay, so you are looking to animate this Google slide. Do you have a specific animation in mind?
I'd like to take a look at the different options.
Okay, you'd like to see the different animation options. To do that, you'll need to open the Animate menu, which is located on the right-hand side of the toolbar. Would you like help navigating that menu?
I think I found it.
Okay, you found the Animate button. Would you like to click it so we can see the different animation options?
Yes.
Okay, the animation sidebar is now open. It looks like you have some animations already set for the text test to appear on click. Do you want to explore other animation options?
Yes, how do I do that?
Okay, to explore the animation options, you can click the drop-down menu right below the word appear, where it currently says appear. This will display a list of different animation types you can use. Would you like to do that now?
Yes, here we go.
Okay, the animation options are now visible. You can select from options like appear, disappear, fade in, fly in from left, and more. Which animation would you like to apply to the word test?
I'm trying fly in from left. How can I see it work?
To see how the fly in from left animation works, you can click the play button below the animation options. Would you like to try that?
Cool, it seems like it worked.
Great. It seems like you've successfully applied the fly in from left animation. Is there anything else you'd like to do with it?
Nope, that's about it.
Okay, is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, I appreciate your help. Thank you very much. So you saw how that all worked. I was sharing my screen. I didn't know how to use something. It kind of gave me tips, pointed out where I needed to go. It doesn't actually do it for you. And when you come back to the main screen where it says Stream Real Time right here, you'll see the history of what was just happening. So you can go back and take a look at what you did, just to remember how it explained everything. I hope that helps. This is going to be a great little educator for everyone who's trying to learn a new piece of software or something that you're just not sure of. But anyway, if you have any questions or comments, let me know down below.